Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. The goal of my YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. I will refer to other videos along the way. Please click the symbol on the top right hand corner to open the video link panel. This video will show you how to make a fried rice that is mainly cooked with cauliflower stems and leaves. Even though it is a vegetarian fried rice, it is very flavorful. So let's first take a look at the basic steps. Step 1. Spot season the wok with 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Step 2. Saute 1 tablespoon of garlic. Step 3. Add and break up 2 cups of rice. Step 4. Fry 3 eggs in the middle of the wok. Step 5. Add 2 cups of chopped cauliflower stems and leaves. Step 6. Add half cup of frozen sweet corns. Step 7. Add seasoning. Step 8. Add grated carrot. Step 9. Add scallions. And step 10. Mix and serve. This fried rice dish used the standard fried rice template that I have posted earlier. Let me elaborate some of the steps to help you in making this dish. Step 1. I will recommend you to spot season the wok each time when you cook. If you are not familiar with the procedure, please take a look at my video on it. Step 2. Saute the garlic for less time before you add the rice if you would like to have a stronger garlic flavor in the fried rice. Step 3. Make sure you properly prepare the rice before you use it in the fried rice. If you are not familiar with this, please see my video on this topic. Step 4. If you want to have a stronger egg flavor in the fried rice, fry the egg longer. Spread out the rice as much as possible and scramble the egg in the middle of the wok to facilitate frying. Step 5. See my video on prepping the cauliflower stem and leaves. After adding the cauliflower's stems and leaves, stir the contents regularly to avoid burning at the bottom of the wok. Also, if the wok gets too hot, turn down the heat. Step 6. I add the frozen corn directly from the freezer. It will thaw out properly in the wok. Step 7. I season the fried rice with 3 parts of mushroom seasoning, 1 part of ginger powder, 1 part of paprika, 2 parts of lemon pepper, and 1 part of cumin. The amount is not critical. It is the ratio that is important. You can follow my seasoning here. Otherwise, use salt and pepper and whatever is available. Please see my video on seasoning the fried rice in such a way to reduce salt consumption. Number 8. Add the grated carrot toward the end. I prefer it not overcooked and retain its vivid orange color. I just add enough carrots to make the dish colorful. You can add more or less according your preference. Number 9. Add the scallion at the end of cooking. I want to retain its aroma and texture. This is a large portion of fried rice, enough for a meal for 2 to 3 people that go with a salad or soup. I have everything already prepped in the beginning of the week, so everything is ready when I start to cook, and it takes me about 10 minutes. A last word of caution. Keep an eye on the heat. If the wok gets too hot, turn the heat down. If you are cooking on an electric stove like me, you need to make adjustment to the slow reaction time of the stove. To avoid food from sticking and burning to the bottom of the wok, use the wok spatula as a scraper to dislodge anything that might stuck to the bottom of the wok. Give this dish a try and let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future postings. See you next time. Please stay safe.